All right, class, welcome back. We are now going into our second day of Unit 4, the Judicial Branch. So we're going to be on June the 16th, and we are sticking with the Judicial Branch here. And we're going to focus in on our Bill of Rights, which includes civil liberties, civil rights, a lot of the amendments in the Bill of Rights, the First Amendment, Second Amendment, all the way through the 10th. Um, a lot of the amendments in the Bill of Rights are considered personal amendments because they protect citizens' personal rights. Okay, so there's a couple video clips to watch here. Um, this first one here, called It's a Free Country, Know Your Rights. Interesting because it's filmed in Philadelphia, and it's well done. It's really good. And the TED Ed video here is a 3-minute guide to the Bill of Rights. TED Ed is quality stuff. Okay. Now we've got a short video about the First Amendment. Okay. And then we've got another iCivics game here. We'll put the iCivics game as an assignment here, but if you're having trouble with the iCivics games working on your device, that is certainly an optional assignment for you. Okay, it's not going to hurt you if you don't get that submitted. Okay, then you're taking a look at the Bill of Rights, and you're going to create something for us here, this little assignment. I'll go ahead and click on it. Go through the directions with you. And you're to pick one of the first 3 amendments. Okay, if you pick the First Amendment, then you need to pick one part of that amendment. Okay, there are several rights protected in the First Amendment: speech, press, religion, assembly. And once you have made your selection, you're to create an original work that shows you understand what that amendment means and how it works in real life, how it impacts Americans today. An original work can include, but is not limited to, a digital poster, infographic, poem, political cartoon, or something similar. Okay? And once you wrap that up, you might want to review some of your notes from your readings, and then you're ready to take the Lesson 2 quiz. Okay. You're all set for today, guys. Find me on Zoom at 10 and 1 if you have any questions, comments, or concerns.